Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is the disadvantages of mass media. Mass media can be defined as the communication medium that can be used to reach a greater portion of a nation or the world in an instant. In short, any means by which the bulk of the people receive information is regarded as a mass media. Note that any form of mass media reaches thousands, millions, and sometimes billions of people at one go. A few examples of a mass media include, but are not limited to, newspapers, radio, television, the internet, and now SMS messaging. Mass media is categorized into the print media, broadcast media, and digital media. The print media refers to newspapers, magazines, and journals. It may also include books and pamphlets. There are widely circulated. The broadcast media refers to the radio, and finally, the digital media comprises the internet and the mobile phone. In some respects, the media has failed the citizens of various countries. In some instances, the media has regened on their watchdog role, thereby leaving the people to the mercy of the government of the day and other state actors. Some other ways in which the media has failed the people are discussed in the paragraphs below. Discussed in the paragraphs or below. The disadvantages of mass media. One of the disadvantages of mass media is that the citizens may degenerate into individualism. Personal interaction with humans become less and less. This is because the people tend to spend too much of their time engrossed in what they are doing on the internet or watching interesting programs on television that they have little quality time to spend quality with other human beings. It is common to go for a meeting, and as the attendees are waiting for the commencement of the meeting, they are busy chatting on their phones instead of chatting with people who are physically present. Another disadvantages of mass media is that some of the content that is spewed out for the viewing public is not suitable for the consumption of children. This becomes difficult for parents who may not be at home all the time or have others to supervise the children. Some measures have been taken to limit the access of the children to such adult content, but sometimes the limitations can be broken as the children seem to know a few tricks more than their parents. It may not be accessible to everybody. One another disadvantages of mass media is that it may not be available to everyone. Newspapers, for example, depend on sales in addition to advertisements to keep making a profit. For this reason, where sales are very low, the media house may stop sending their papers there. In other words, newspapers are geographically selective. In the case of television and radio houses, people can only tune in where the signals are present. Therefore, through the mass media is supposed to be available to all. It may not necessarily be available to everybody because of technical shortcomings. Thank you.